Hey guys, what's up? So Timmy showing the top as straight keys, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first key is called Resonance. Icons are made to have colors resonate into other layers, giving the icons a unique look. 200 plus icons, multiple alternative icons, glyph version included, lifelong updates. The next key is called Translo, and it's a light series translate tweak, version 3.0. It's right here, has tons of great changes. So, adds support to the App Store, Mail app, Signal app, Safari, and more. So, allows you to easily translate, text, especially good if you're talking to someone who speaks a different language than you. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14, and it's free. It uses supports Google's Translate API, supports DeepL API, and Yonnet's API. Next, is called Translo modules, and instead of Control Center modules, you can quickly turn off or on, letting translate outgoing messages from the Control Center. Next is called libmiro, and share library for my tweets, so pretty cool. Next is called Pro Gesture, and supports these iPhones right here, and gives you these features right here. Next is called Arquita, makes the now plain view yours, supports iOS 13 and 14.3. Next is called Shortmoji 2, the ultimate keyboard tweet that iOS never had, so bring back life to your keyboard, supports iOS 13 and above. Next, she's called Safari Plus, and it gives you a bunch of these features for Safari: your privacy features, upload and download feature, usability feature, actions features, gestures feature, customization feature. So pretty cool. Next, she's called Safari Plus Syphilis, and basically the same thing as Safari Plus. I don't really know what the difference is. They basically have the same features, updates, and everything for the most part. Next, she's called Adaptive Home, color home bar based on the app icon. Next, she's called Checkra1n Global. And enable certain features, introduce new features, amplifies slow signal, amplifies data speeds, and more. This is called Checkra1n Global, iOS 14, and if you have iOS 13 Checkra1n or A13 order, you may continue using it on iOS 14. So fully supports T-Mobile and AT&T as right now. This is called Jailbreak Reborn, and beautiful simple lock screen application launcher for iOS 14, inspired by the original Jailbreak for iOS 7 and Jailbreak Unified for iOS 9. This is called My Blow Etc. for iOS, and it's auto updating. It's ads, revotes, trackers, minors, and more. This is called Heartlines, also on say with My Blow Etc. for iOS. It's a major update, including fits all jailbreaks, Control Center toggle support, tab blocker, Safari blocker, iOS 14, and more. This feature is called Heartlines, and brings a new lovely design to your lock screen clock. Next is called Conditional Wi-Fi, and specifically for iOS 10 Plus allows you to turn off wireless data for certain applications that you choose. This is called Alt Store, which Alt with the S as a 5. Extra features for Alt Store, so it gives you Uncover updates from Uncover.dev. So in Alt Store, you can automatically have that Uncover website, so you can automatically just update it to this Uncover version. This is called Easy Dialer 14, and comes with iOS 13 and 14. So what this tweak does, it dial contacts easy with T9 searching. This is called Home Screen Quick Actions, and control the home screen. You have all these features right here. Next is called App Data, and it's been actually updated. Supports iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. Give you and access the data of your apps by either swiping up on the icon or from the Force Touch menu. You have all these features right here. You can do with your apps. So you can see it was just updated, so it supports reset permissions. That's new. Offload apps is new, and I think update badges. I think it's new as well. Next is called Copy Pasta, and save text in a list, which is accessible from your keyboard. Next is called Magsafe Controller, and iOS 12 and above, so Magsafe Controller, you have these features right here for it. Next is called Color Flow, and coloration music matches now playing UI to your music album artwork and adds an iOS 10 style music player to the lock screen. Next is called More Bar Ets 13, and more status bar icons. This is called One Hand Wizard 2, and solves one of the biggest issues. So if you have big hands, then it allows you to have the screen like smaller for like those bigger devices. So you just use one hand instead of using the whole, instead of using two hands because you have a big device, you have small hands like me. Perfect tweak for you. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Check out the next one. It does support iOS 13 and 14, by the way, and supports iOS 14. But yeah, check out the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.